Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a tutorial on this beat, on this slay, on this snatch. Hold on to your edges, hold on to your friend's edges. If you're not careful, they're gonna be in orbit. They're about to be circulating planet Venus if you don't hold on to them. Please, for your own safety, just hold on, okay? I'm obsessed with this look, so stay tuned. Hope you enjoy it. For all of you that are going to be asking, this hair is from La Moda Hair. It's their 26 inches, 2.5 bundles, not even 3 bundles, not 4 bundles, no, not even 3 bundles, 2.5 bundles. Say what? Like that. Look how thick. Like if I put it all to the front, you guys are going to be shook. Look how thick this hair is. Thicker than a snicker looking ass. It's 2.5, but only 2.5 bundles, and a frontal in 18 inches from La Moda Hair. Check them out, the links will be in the description box. This hair is absolutely 10 out of 10. Probably like my top 3 favorite hair that I've ever tried. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like why is hating on me? Like, I'm not gonna lie to you, like top 3 best hair I've ever tried in this lifetime. It's that deep. I'm like, honestly, I'm in love, I'm obsessed, and so have you guys been. You've been asking already. It's amazing. It doesn't shed, like it really hardly minimally sheds. Like all I've seen is the shedding that I've plucked from my frontal, so it's really like nothing, and you don't really need to brush it much, because I feel like with curly hair you want the curls to stay, so you just need to spray it down. It's not, I don't think it'll be too much work. Like it's so easy. If you want to see a tutorial on how I got it this laid, like sickeningly laid, then that will also be in the description box. But for now, we'll get onto this makeup look.